Okay.
So we are told we are getting even 70. And so what is the women getting also?
First of all,
Why are females in these cultures or religions also not rewarded male virgins? Being a virgin is so valuable that even the gods or spirit beings prefer virgins to non-virgins. What is it about being a virgin that makes spirit beings so much love to use them? When you study different cultures or different traditions, even different religions, you would see that female virgins are used as rewards for other people's commitment or faithfulness. There are many traditions and many religions who use that intricacy system in Ghana, Benin, and parts of Togo. Among the Ewes, when a family member commits a sin, a female virgin is used for atonement by serving the gods. In Islam, when you die as a faithful martyr, you have 72 virgins, female virgins, as your reward. What is it about female virgins that these traditions, cultures, or many religions use as a form of reward to their servants or appeasement? Why do they not reward females as well? Are these cultures or religions cruel towards females? Why are females in these cultures or religions also not rewarded male virgins? This is a reality that many people fail to respond to, because when you look at the history of humanity, when you look at the history of cultures and traditions, women have been subjected to cruelty, women have been subjected to trauma, particularly by male authorities in the society.